We'll guide you through how to manage your tasks in Asana effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Asana's website, then log in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your projects listed on the left sidebar. Click on the project where you want to manage tasks. Inside the project view, you'll find a list of tasks in front of you. To add a new task, simply click on the Add Task button at the top of the list. Type in the task name and hit Enter. To assign it to someone, click on the Assignee field and choose the person from the dropdown. You can also set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon next to the task name. If you need to add more details, click on the task name to open the detail pane on the right. Here, you can add descriptions, attachments, or comments. To organize tasks into sections, click on Add Section and give it a name. You can then drag and drop tasks into the appropriate sections. Use tags to categorize tasks by clicking on the Add Tags option and selecting or creating a new tag. If you're managing multiple tasks, the My Tasks view is really handy. It shows all tasks assigned to you across projects. Simply click on My Tasks in the sidebar to access it. Use the priority flags to mark urgent tasks and sort them accordingly. For recurring tasks, open the task details and click on Set Recurring to choose how often it repeats. This way, you never miss a deadline. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.